have Sunny and Rare. Heavy and Joe and Sid and Joe.
What is that, baby?
Daddy and Jordan and Tappy and Dad.
Is that a calling card?
Yes, that's a calling card.
Why are you using that?
Because I'm using this and this.
What else do you have inside the bag? Hmm?
No more.
No more?
I have also inside my bag. No more. No more. Let's put them inside my bag.
You put that inside. What is that?
I'm putting. It's a fit here.
What's that?
That fits here. Okay, the zipper.
How about the powder? You put that inside.